How to add premium channels to Amazon Prime Video subscription. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, mouse over Account and List in the upper right corner of your screen, then select Sign In. When you arrive at the Amazon sign in page, enter your account username and password. If you have multiple accounts in your household, make sure you are using the account you want to stream from. Amazon will drop you back on the home page. Select Account and List again to display the menu and then select your Prime Video. Then simply select Channels option available there. You will see featured content from some of the available channels on Amazon. Although you may find the channel you are looking for right away, there is a more complete list to browse from. Select See More to view the complete list. The channel listing consists of more rows of channels broken down into categories. Use the arrows at the end of each row to scroll through categories and view more options. Select the channels to subscribe to. Amazon will take you to your selected channel's page. Across the top is a massive banner image for a channel. Select it when you are ready to sign up. Now select Start your 7-day free trial. You will likely need to enter your account password one more time to confirm. Next, you will arrive at a page detailing your new subscription, including the subscription cost, following your trial, more information about the channel, and your billing information. When you are ready, select Start your free trial near the bottom of the page. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.